everyone, my name is Felicia. Today, we want to make Origami bookmarks. Today, we are going to make a cute corner bookmark that will help you keep track of your favorite book page. Let's get started. Materials you need: a square piece of origami paper, any color you like, glue, scissors, markers, or color paper for decorating. Step 1. Fold into a triangle. Take your square paper and fold it in half diagonally to make a big triangle. Place the fold down immediately. Fold the bottom corner up. Now take the top layer of the bottom corner and fold it to meet the top corner of the triangle. This will make a little pocket. Fold the side corners in. Open the left and right corners of the triangle and fold down the top corner to meet the bottom of the triangle. Place the folds. Step 4. Tuck the corners into the pocket. Now fold the left and right corners again and tuck the corners inside the pocket. Step 5. First come the fun part. Use stickers, markers, or color paper to turn your bookmark into a monster, animal, superhero, or anything you like. Step 6. Ready to use your core bookmark is down. Now you can slide it onto the corner of your book. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.